I'm Lauren Newbrook. I live here with my husband Ben. We have 2 little kids now, both on their feet and causing us headaches left, right and centre. My method of washing up is to run the tap constantly, and then I will rinse stuff off, clean it, rinse all the bubbles off, leave it, because I don't like drying up. I hate drying up. Ben works very differently, and he always has. He likes to fill up the sink, have bubbles everywhere. So yeah, it's always been a bit, we've always locked heads over it ever since we met, really. Now we have a washing up bowl that only takes up half the sink. I can fill up the washing up bowl and I can still have my space to rinse stuff off. So me and Ben are both happy, and to boot, we are saving loads of water. Yeah, so it's worked really well. Saved a marriage. Since starting the project, one of the main benefits we've seen is a drop in our water bill. It's dropped by about 60%. All of these savings, they mean so much to us. We are able to go out so much more with the kids, pretty much spend all our weekends out and about, and we're able to really enjoy that, and we don't have to worry about it so much. Living Lagom is definitely a way of life now. It's not something that I consciously think of anymore. It's just become every day.